Now at 4:30, we are just days away from an all-out ban of the popular social media app TikTok. A new law set to take effect on Sunday would require TikTok to cut ties with its China-based parent company or lose access to app stores and web hosting services in the U.S.
Now the Supreme Court is involved and last week heard hours of oral arguments. The big question: does the law targeting TikTok for national security reasons violate the First Amendment? KHOU11's Orko Manna now live in the newsroom. So Orko, what are these local businesses and influencers who use TikTok saying about all this?
Well, Jason and Reka, the people I spoke with say they don't just use TikTok, they rely on it. For them, it's a way to connect with customers and boost business, and they're worried that they'll lose out on profits if TikTok gets banned.
It is a size 5.5, 18 karat yellow gold, and priced at $269.
More and more, Stacy Vasquez uses TikTok to show off the jewelry that's for sale at Sunset Pawn locations in Houston.
The goal of this account has been to showcase the beauty of pawn shop jewelry.
And she says it's really working.
We've seen an increase of people saying we saw you on TikTok.
The social media app is not just a way for her to advertise.
So I'm thinking what I'm going to do is upload the pieces that I showcase in my videos for you guys to shop.
But also to sell.
The shift on TikTok has been more towards like TikTok shop, and you can go live on TikTok, and we've actually used that to help sell some of our inventory. So it's been a pretty important part to our business.
Vasquez says that's why it's so disheartening that a new law set to take effect this Sunday, January 19th, could ban TikTok in the U.S.
When you understand the way that it helps small businesses, it's not just a silly thing. It actually means a lot. This is sales, this is livelihood, this is jobs. So it is a really big deal.
It's also a big deal for content creators who rely on TikTok for revenue.
If I don't lick my fingers, it ain't good.
Such as food reviewer Herbert Shells, known as Foodie Herb on TikTok. He goes around to Houston area restaurants.
This right here, it melts in your mouth and not in your hand.
And gives reviews sprinkled with some humor.
This up there with my mama potato salad.
But he says a TikTok ban is no laughing matter.
It definitely decreases the reach of my monetization, how much money I can make, brand deals you might get.
And with the Supreme Court considering whether to overturn or delay the upcoming law, Shells prays they decide to keep the app available here.
I hope they are able to come to a resolution.
Now, it's important to note that TikTok will not just disappear from your phones on January 19th if the law takes effect, but the app will no longer be available to download and users will not be able to update it. That will make the app buggier and eventually unstable. Reka?
All right, Orko, thank you so much.